Woody, great. Help me out of this thing. Shh. What? It's okay. Everything's under control. Woody, what are you doing?
Hey, why'd you get out here? Oh well, you and I can have a cookout later.
Houston, do we have seconds?
In counting. 10, 9, 8,